We don't. There wouldn't be any good market share figures in something like Super Cat. We know that a couple of years, and last year I think too, we had to be the biggest in terms of premium volume. We simply take on so much more than anyone else will, and we were getting the calls on the big risks, 400 million here or something of the sort. We had a quote we put on $1 billion on the New Madrid fault here a little while ago. Nobody else will be doing that. So we got market share by our willingness to do large volume, by the fact that people knew we would pay subsequently. But we don't. While we know we were the largest, we can't give any precise figures. We also know we're slipping in that now, but that makes no difference to us. We'd only be interested if we were slipping in profitable markets. What was the second part of the question on that, Charlie? What other opportunities in the insurance business? Just this year, we bought a very, very small company, the managers of whom are here, and a very fine insurance company. It has a little niche. It will never be huge or anything of the sort, but it's the kind of business that we can understand, and we like the people that run it, and we like the position they've achieved in the market, so we're delighted to be in it. We are willing to think about a whole variety of things to do in insurance, but most of them we find make no sense. But that we'll do other things in insurance over the next 10 or 15 years. It's just bound to happen, but I can't tell you what they will specifically be. The biggest single thing we will do in terms of value, though, probably is grow GEICO. But we will do other things, and who knows what they might be. We have expanded some in it's small business, the structured settlement business from when we talked a year or two ago, and we are the preferred provider of structured settlements. Those are annuities essentially that are payable to people who are usually the victims of a very bad accident, and so they're very severely injured people. The injuries will probably last for life, and so we will be making payments to people who are incapable of earning a living, may incur substantial medical bills for many decades, sometimes 50 or 60 years. Those annuities are provided by our companies to other insurance companies and to these injured people, usually with the approval of the injured person's attorney. And when the advisors to the injured person think who is going to be around in 50 years to pay money to this person who's been incapacitated, they frequently, and in our view logically, think of Berkshire. So we have become much better known in that over the last couple of years. It's not a big business, and it won't be a big business, but it's a perfectly decent business, and it's one where we have a competitive advantage over time. We don't obtain the competitive advantage by price. We obtain the competitive advantage from the peace of mind that the injured party obtains from knowing that that check will be in the mail 50 years from now. And that's the kind of business where we have some edge, and we'll find other things to do over time, but it isn't like we're looking at some specific area and saying we're focusing on this. We're aware generally of what's going on in the insurance business, and we're very ready to move. Zone 3.